Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the Ames test. So the purpose of the Ames test is to evaluate whether something is mutagenic and or a carcinogen. A carcinogen is, again, anything that will actually cause cancer, and then a mutagen is something that will actually cause a mutation within something. So the test involves Salmonella typhimurium. The Salmonella typhimurium contains a gene, a mutated gene, in fact, that lacks the ability to produce histidine, which is an amino acid. This Salmonella typhimurium cannot actually synthesize histidine. We also have an agar plate that lacks histidine. So anything that does not have histidine will not actually be able to grow on this agar plate. So in theory, your control plate, if you were to just put Salmonella typhimurium on the control plate, nothing would be able to grow. So the way this test actually works is you have your Salmonella typhimurium, which again has a mutated gene that cannot produce histidine, and then you have your suspected mutagen, and you mix that together in a solution, and then you would actually inoculate your agar plate, incubate it, and if you were to see growth on the agar plate, that means that your mutagen, your suspected mutagen, is actually a mutagen, and it will cause mutations because it reversed the original mutation in the histidine gene within Salmonella typhimurium. It reversed that original mutation, therefore allowing Salmonella typhimurium to again produce histidine. Now on the control side, you would just have your solution with Salmonella typhimurium diluted with water or whatever. You would incubate your inoculated streak plate or your inoculated agar plate, and you shouldn't see any growth on the agar plate. If you were to see, let's say you have a couple colonies here, if you were to see like 2 colonies there, really that would only just be a spontaneous mutation. That wouldn't really be anything plausible to, for you to say that your suspected mutagen is not a mutagen. So the reason that the Ames test is so useful, and the reason that we actually care about the Ames test, is because it just creates a quick and simple screening for carcinogens and mutagens. It's super low cost, doesn't require that much time, doesn't require that many materials or equipment. But yeah, so super simple test, and yeah.